What exactly is an AI influencer? Recently, people have come to realize that there are numerous Instagram influencers who are not actual humans. Instead, these influencers are AI-generated entities designed to mimic real human behavior. In the past, there were concerns about robots taking over the world due to the influence of science fiction movies. Now, it's becoming more tangible thanks to recent advancements in AI and science. It is unlikely that humans will be socializing with robots in public places like restaurants or on the streets in the near future. However, social media is witnessing a rapid transformation in the way humans and robots interact. Here, we will be looking at everything you need to know about creating an AI influencer. 1. Define your niche and audience. Prior to delving into content creation, it is essential to identify your target audience. Take into account factors like age, interests, lifestyle, and online habits. For instance, if your target audience is Gen Z, you could emphasize popular trends such as living in an environmentally conscious way or being knowledgeable about technology. Having a clear understanding of your audience will enable you to create content that connects with them and boosts engagement. In order to remain relevant and appeal to a wider audience, it's crucial to stay informed about the latest trends. Use tools such as Google Trends or BuzzSumo to discover what is currently trending in your chosen niche. For example, if you're focusing on the fitness niche, consider popular trends such as home workouts or wellness apps. By aligning your content with these trends, you can take advantage of popular topics and expand your reach to a broader audience. Utilizing influencers can greatly enhance the reach of your content. Find influential individuals in your field who connect with your desired audience. Examine their content, engagement rates, and audience demographics to assess if they align well with your brand. Working with influencers can be beneficial for expanding your reach and building credibility within your specific industry. 2. Develop the AI influencer's persona. Crafting a backstory for your AI influencer can enhance its relatability and engagement. For example, if your AI influencer is a fashionista, maybe they began their career as a designer in a small town and eventually achieved great success in Paris. This backstory can help provide context for their expertise and establish a sense of character growth. Take into account the personality traits that your audience will resonate. If your audience appreciates authenticity, your AI influencer can adopt a down-to-earth and relatable persona. If your audience enjoys humor, your influencer could have a clever and ironic personality. It's important to select traits that match your influencer's niche and connect with your target audience. Download images, captions, and bios of the top 10 influencers in your niche to gain valuable insights. Upload the materials one by one into ChatGPT as attachments. Currently, ChatGPT doesn't support direct browsing of social platforms. Consider using prompts such as examine the achievements, areas for improvement, and distinctive approaches that contribute to the success of these influencers in their respective fields. Create a backstory for a fashion-forward AI influencer targeting millennials based on the data you have. Alternatively, suggest personality traits for an AI influencer in the eco-friendly lifestyle niche. By studying established influencers, you can uncover patterns, effective tactics, and potential ways to set your own AI influencer apart. 3. Leverage AI technology. When choosing an image generator for your AI influencer, it's important to take into account the quality and realism of the generated images. Choose the Leonardo Diffusion XL model with Photo Real plus Alchemy settings for realistic imagery. This model is considered to be one of the most advanced AI image generators available, capable of producing highly detailed and visually impressive images. For an even better look and feel of your content, opt for the cinematic mode. This model is designed to create high-quality images that look great and can be used for a variety of purposes, including social media, marketing materials, and video production. When you choose the cinematic mode, your AI influencer's content will have a visually captivating and professional look. 4. Visual creation of your AI influencer. Try out different looks and styles to create a distinctive and memorable visual identity for your AI influencer. Take into account elements like clothing, accessories, and the overall aesthetic. The selected appearance should be in line with your influencer's personality and attractive to your desired audience. Through the process of trying out various styles, you can discover a visual identity that distinguishes your influencer persona and connects with your audience. Consistency is key when it comes to maintaining a cohesive look and feel across all of your content. Once you've chosen a visual theme that suits your needs, it's important to stick with it. This encompasses a variety of media formats, such as images, videos, and social media posts. Having a consistent visual theme is crucial for strengthening your brand identity and establishing a cohesive and easily recognizable image for your AI influencer. Consistency is key to strengthening your influencer's brand and cultivating a loyal following. 5. Set up social media profiles. In order to effectively connect with your desired audience, it is essential to choose the platforms where they are the most engaged. Find out which platforms, such as Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, are favored by your target audience. Take into account factors like age, interests, and online behavior when making your decision. By selecting the appropriate platforms, you can guarantee that your AI influencer's content effectively reaches its target audience. After choosing your platforms, it's important to create profiles that capture your influencer's personality and niche in a visually appealing way. Create profiles that align visually with your chosen theme and feature a bio that effectively showcases your influencer's distinctive quality and value proposition. An effectively crafted profile can assist you in gaining followers and building credibility within your specific area. 6. Engagement and growth. In order to establish a solid bond with your audience, it is crucial to actively interact with your followers, implement automated responses, or utilize AI tools to handle frequent inquiries. By implementing this, you'll be able to quickly address inquiries and foster a positive connection with your audience. In addition, you may want to consider utilizing AI-powered tools to analyze the behavior of your followers and identify trends. This will enable you to customize your content to better suit their preferences. Working together with brands or influencers that are relevant to your industry can be a valuable strategy for increasing your audience and building trust. Collaborate with brands that match your influencer's niche and provide valuable products or services to your audience. Furthermore, it may be beneficial to work together with other influencers in your field to produce collaborative content or mutually promote each other's work. Collaborating with others allows you to reach new audiences and enhance your influence in the market. 7. Monetization. To generate revenue through sponsored content, it's important to find and work with brands that are a good fit for your influencer's niche and values. Collaborate with brands that provide products or services that align with your audience's interests and can be easily incorporated into your content. It is important to be transparent about sponsored content in order to maintain trust with your followers. Monetizing your influencer's content through affiliate marketing can be quite profitable. Incorporate affiliate links seamlessly into your content for a smooth and non-disruptive experience. This may include suggesting products, services, or tools that are relevant to your influencer's niche. By promoting services through affiliate links, you have the opportunity to earn a commission for every sale made through your referral. 8. Analyze and adapt. Regularly reviewing your analytics is important for measuring the effectiveness of your influencer's content and identifying areas for improvement. Keep an eye on metrics like engagement rates, follower growth, and click-through rates. Through the analysis of this data, you can gain insights into the type of content that connects most effectively with your audience. This understanding will enable you to make informed adjustments to your strategy. It's crucial to stay flexible and adaptable in the ever-changing online landscape. It's important to remain receptive to adapting your influencer's persona or content strategy in response to audience feedback and evolving trends. This could include trying out new content formats, exploring various topics, or adjusting to new platforms. It's important to adapt and stay in tune with the ever-changing digital landscape to keep your influencer relevant and effectively engage your audience. 9. Legal and ethical considerations. It is important to be transparent with your audience and comply with legal requirements by clearly stating that your influencer is an AI and disclosing any sponsored content. This level of transparency helps establish trust and ensures that your audience has a clear understanding of your content. Furthermore, it is important to keep yourself updated on social media and advertising regulations so that your content adheres to the relevant laws and guidelines. By making transparency and regulatory compliance a top priority, you can safeguard your influencer's reputation and steer clear of any potential legal ramifications. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to create AI influencers for free. Want to learn more about AI influencers or share your success stories? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more AI-related content.